Okay, guys, I know this is like the world's worst angle, but I got my Crocs. Oh my God. Do you love them?
They're so pink.
They're literally so pink. Yeah, honey, it's like red bottoms, but rubber bottoms. They are gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love them. Should I wear them right now?
Yeah, these things are heavy duty.
They're very heavy duty.
Yeah, put them on.
Okay.
Or rubber bottoms. These are gonna last fucking forever.
I know. I'm obsessed.
These are fucking dope.
I'm so excited.
Are these real?
Who cares? Honey. I love them.